All right. So the right side of the panel, this is, if I'm facing this way, this is the right side, which is right here, this pigtail. Goes into the actual motor right here. Comes right here. These screws are 9/32. At least that's what fits them. Maybe they're millimeter, but this will do. 9/32. And we'll pop it open. There we go. See the meat and potatoes right there. We got green for ground, black, white, and red. Red, white, and black in here. And this plug, which has two grays. So, has to be this plug down here. Right down here. It's zip tied right here. I'm going to try to pull it out. If not, I'll just cut the zip tie. I have zip ties somewhere in the garage. I'm not too worried about the zip tie. This cap will go back on it. This is a weight, I think, for the motor. The metal that spins. I'm not going to get into how generators work, but they generate electricity. There's a bunch of copper coils in there. Let me get my flashlight. So there's copper coils in there. If you look carefully, there's copper coils. There's metal inside that spins, probably iron. If you learn your basics in school, magnetics and electricity go hand in hand. Magnetism generates electricity. Electricity generates magnetism, etc., etc. So anyway, I'm gonna start taking this apart, and if these ain't the right size, I'm gonna have to find the right. Oh, got lucky. Right size. Another. Oh, there we go. They had the sucker on there. Maybe I should take a picture. Did I lose the washer? No, didn't come with the washer. If not, I'll look for it in a second. And then the white. So this ground is gonna go back on there. This generator has two white ones. Two white. This panel has one white. I'm gonna have a look at that. One black, one red. Let me find that other cord. Here we go. I may have to stop and I'm just doing this all in my head, but I may have to stop and consult a YouTube video myself. Let's hit a pause right here.